Funky D. Everybody, welcome back to Funky D show once again. Yes, it get things when we say we go narrate them today. We must to narrate them the way when them take come. We go take to follow them. Just like that, just as the way when these people, when we say they won't create civil unrest in Nigeria. I mean, these people, when they call them, say them be big wings, criminal politicians. These people, when we say then they call themselves the cabals. These people, when we say not them bringing Nigeria. Now them put Nigeria the one where they did today. These same thief people, when they call them the political cabals, then when they say they don't want make we rest in that country. As they don't want make we rest in that country, themselves no go rest. As they don't want make we sleep in that Nigeria, themselves they no go ever sleep, because many things dey when we say funky D they hear. A lot of things dey when we say we must to talk them today, because it be like say these people they want bring Syria to Nigeria. You know, when I say they want bring Syria to Nigeria, they want bring war to that Nigeria. I get some things then when I get some package, better package when Funky D get for them. And today, they must to listen to that package. You understand? When I get for them. This Syria, when I want bring to that country. The 180 million Nigerian people, or 200 million Nigerian people, when we say, now we be the main population, we must to send all this PDP and APC sick government to exile. Because why Funky D they talk all these things be say, una go remember say na PDP first start this kind things then when APC then they do. You understand? So when you are categorizing them, both parties have to be in the same place because them be one. You understand? So we go send una, because if una want bring Syria come to that country where they call Obodo Nigeria, Funky D say all of una go prepare to flee to exile, because the 180 million Nigerian people, they no go they look una as una they act all these things them when una they act. Again, APC and PDP criminal political cabals them must to return the whole money when they don't loot from our treasury. They must to return them, can't give us back, because those money where they talk say we get money, we be this, we be that. Now our money be that. Nigerians must stand up massively to face these political tyrants, political and fraudulent tyrants them. We must to face them. Make sure say this Jubri, this man what they call Jubri, when we say in go rig himself enter power, it must to flee, go back wherever in come from. Whether na Sudan in come from, or whether na anywhere when anything say in come from, because he is not elected. He's not elected back to the office. Nobody vote him. The man just did there with the power of the military. He forget say this time, say na democracy Nigeria day. So you when you they call yourself Jubri or Buhari or whatever, you and APC cabals them. You and them Abba Kyari and Mama Daura did they do the wuru when they do there. Funky D say we go stand up for you. Nigerian people need to stand up for these people then. Because they are destroying our country. A time will come. We when be youth, Nigerian youth, we no go fit face waiting they come from these people. Because a lot of dubious things then when they don't plan, The time when it go unfold, everybody go know wetin dey. You go know say that time it go dey too late for you to stand up. So it is better Nigerian people, Nigerian youth, then stand up now. 180 million Nigerian people. Now we supposed to stand up. Stand up, not be by fighting. We march to Aso Rock in millions to ask these people when they call APC and PDP to leave Nigerian people alone, because not be so then they govern. Nigeria not be the only country when they this world. Nigeria not be only country when we say then get president. Why can't be say now we be the giant of Africa and now we they get problem with these people? And these people, they set us, they put us into problem. Now we're supposed to set an example to all these small African countries. Why can't be say now all these small African countries now, then they laugh at us? Because of poor governance, because of Jubri, when everybody knows say that Jubri not be the main person, not be the real Buhari. The world don't know this thing. I don't know why 180 million Nigerian people still keep quiet. They look this man. I don't understand. Funky D say him not understand. Waiting they happen. Sure you understand? So, because you know the reason why when Funky D they talk this thing be say, that man, that Yoruba guy, when be say in a politician, it be like say na PDP in day. He don't think when that man self, as Nnamdi Kanu they confirm, himself they confirm. Say that man, not be Buhari. That man what they call Fani Kayode, everybody know that man. When be former aviation minister. That man don't come out yesterday, come they talk, say man, say na wahala go dey because Atiku, if they not answer Atiku on time, on waiting Atiku want to do, or on waiting Atiku want, because Atiku want made them talk, say na him win the presidential election, say them APC them. Then use army scatter everything. Nobody vote Buhari in some places in that country, according to them. According to waiting then they yarn. But all of them they yarn or pata, because all of them are the same thing. All of them want to use our head. PDP people, they want to come and sell. But waiting for Kayode they talk now be say if then go court, or if they not maintain, or they not tell them better thing when they like, say Atiku go form a government. Even that is, we go get two government in Nigeria, maybe one in Lagos State, one in Abuja. You will go get two government in Nigeria. Now him Fani Kayode come and they talk, say if they not act quick, if they not act fine, if they not announce Atiku Abubakar as the president of Federal Republic of Nigeria, say very soon, then go form two governments. Then Atiku go get in own government. Then Jubri go get in own government. That is two government in Nigeria. Now the latest one now, when the ladies and gentlemen. But this man, when they call Fani Kayode, Funky D get word for you. And the PDP seek political cabals. You understand? The word when me I get for you be say number one. Nigeria not be Venezuela. When you go just come and come talk, say Atiku go just form another government. Then una don't scatter Nigeria. Una don't put fire, una don't set fire in that country, because 180 million people no go dey look una as all these things they unfold, they come. We no go accept that kind of government, because una know how una waka. You at PDP and APC know how them do, how them take do the wuru where them do, because as APC they rig, PDP as well they rig, but it can't be like say na APC come topple them on the rigging level. Now him make AP come be, and they come be saying, and then come be, now then they into power. Because PDP rigged the election, APC rigged the election. So Fani Kayode Funky D say Nigeria not be Venezuela, and Nigeria can never be Venezuela. As you know, they ready to the plan all this in one of the plan. Make una they ready how all of una go take flee, go exile. Make una they prepare una luggage how una go take run come out for that country, because Nigerian people will be 180 million people, like I said before. They no go they watch una. They do all this kind of nonsense when una they do in that country. So if una they go court, go fight the case when una they go fight. Make una they go court, go fight the case when una they go fight. Not come back on the tell the world say Nigeria go form two governments. For what? Then I be say that Syria when Funky did they tell una before. I be say Syria don't come. I mean Syria fight. I mean Syria civil unrest. Now they won't bring come, ladies and gentlemen, to Nigeria. Why? Because of our petroleum, because of because of the wealth of the Easterners. Because of the things when God take bless us, when we say now we be the Easterners. Now we get the oil, now we get everything. Now even they feed Nigerian people. Then when they fight this fight, Yoruba people and Hausa people. I don't make video before. I say these two part of the country, they need to be on their own. They need to become one on their own and leave the Easterners. Make we go. Because by the time when I go start this, and I be say that level of Nnamdi Kanu don't set very fast. I be say Igbo people, Biafran people, they have to break up. Then if Oduduwa want to form their own country, they can form their own country. If they want to join with all these Sikh Fulani people, make them join with the Sikh Fulani people. So make una not bring that level of saying that you want to form another government. Make Atiku. That is the thing where they tell on when be Nigerian people. When are they hear what? Look now, this one na Hausa. If to say na Igbo and Hausa man contest do this election, therefore don't tell the Igbo man say make he give up to Hausa man or to Fulani man. Or if to say another part of the country, when we say they not be Igbo people, now then contest this election with an Hausa man. Everybody for don't say, oh, give up. You know, say all of us are one. Now God, we may just leave everything like that. God don't decide. Just leave the matter like that. So Fani Kayode and Atiku Abubakar, because the thing when did they be say Atiku Abubakar completely reject the outcome of the election. Atiku Abubakar said they use army to intimidate PDP people. Atiku Abubakar say anywhere when PDP stronghold they not there, Buhari send army go. When if they vote free, according to them they say they vote. Me I not see people when vote. If they vote finish, then APC sick people, the APC thugs, APC army, and APC policemen, then will just carry the ballot box, run, go destroy the ballot box. Come manipulate the whole numbers according to waiting then they talk. But that one not concern Funky D. The only thing when concern Funky D be say Obasanjo, Atiku, Buhari, when they call Jubri, must go. They must stay away from politics in that country. PDP and APC people, they must to stay away. Okay, they must to stay away from politics in that country, because these people, they are coming to destroy Nigeria. They want to cause a very big problem in that country where they call Nigeria. So my advice to you people when be APC and the PDP political criminals be say, if una won't bring fight come to that country, now APC, that fight is going to be between APC and PDP people. Nigerian people, they no go answer una. Make una dey tear una self down. Because when una dey thief our money, when una dey loot our trillions, when una dey loot money from our treasury, when una dey empty our treasury, they use the money, they build mansion, they buy private jet, they buy properties in abroad. Now only una with una family, they enjoy the money. Una not give Funky D 1 kobo. Una not give any Nigerian person 1 kobo. When una thief the money, now una dey the one una dey thief the money, when una dey thief. Okay, so when the fight go boss, APC and PDP with their family, then go fight that fight together. Nigerian people, make una listen, because if una not listen, una go put una head for waiting not concern una. Because when these people they chop the money, they not call anybody put. When these people like Okorocha, they fly private jet, all of them get private jet. Okorocha never want they say make you join them, enjoy the private jet. When Okorocha don't build that estate, when he don't build Okorocha, now they collect the money for the estate by himself. Nobody when Okorocha help. Nobody when Okorocha they give money. Now him with the family, they enjoy the money. So also Femi Kayode. So also Jubri. So also Osebanjo, Oshomole, Atiku Abubakar, Bola Tinubu, alias what do they call him? Ashawaju. They not give anybody money. Government not give anybody money when they chop the money. So if that fight, if they don't set that fight, if that fight don't set, because now the wuru when una they do, Funky D say, now una go follow go. The money when una don't thief from Nigerian people, una go bring back that money. That money na Nigerian people money. So whether you go, Atiku can never form a parallel government in that country. There will be no two government in that country. As una waka go, una go waka and come back. Because when it come be like say, then they talk about that Jubri matter, nobody answer anybody. And we know that that man there is not the real Buhari. That man there. Now the cabals that they use them, they make their trillions. So if that fight boss, APC people and PDP people, now only una go take on head fight that fight. Because when una they enjoy, now only una enjoy the money. Funky D. So this matter, na serious matter, ladies and gentlemen. Fani Kayode say Atiku Abubakar won't form another government. So now Funky D tell them say that government, it go be government of Oduduwa and Arewa people. Then go leave Igbo people aside. Then go maybe then go dey Lagos, they do that their government, then Igbo people go liberate themselves. Now so the game just be. So not count any Igbo man in this your new government when you say Atiku won't form a new government if they not announce him as the winner of that election. The election be say una when be PDP rig the election, una rig am, una pay people, una spend money, put nobody send una. Jubri Buhari he himself rig. Spend money, use police, intimidate people, carry ballot buses with thugs and army, and this INEC people. INEC follow join Tom Print. INEC follow carry ballot bus for Buhari. So na una know waiting una see. Now the thing when Funky D they pray say make a swanyanya for APC and PDP. Make una enter on yourself. Because you don't think when they deal with Nigerian people. If to say una conduct this election free and fair, as you know they claim, all this problem of rigging for not for grant. If to say PDP, for example, stay away, they not carry ballot boss, they're not on print, they not do anything. All this problem for not dey on ground. When una dey challenge this Buhari, for be like say the challenge when una dey challenge Buhari na fair challenge, because una no follow carry ballot box or thumbprint. Now una don follow thumbprint, una don follow carry ballot box, una don follow rig. So as Buhari dey rig, una rig, so una go dey rig una self dey go. Na that one when Funky D get for una today. Atiku Abubakar, I say una rig election, Buhari rig election. So Buhari come be like say e come topple una rigging. So as una wan do am, as una wan do am, make una dey do am dey go. Nobody send una message, but make una count the Igbo people aside. Funky D, ladies and gentlemen. Make una dey remember to dey subscribe to Funky D. Make una dey subscribe, dey watch, dey share my videos. Make this video reach Atiku Abubakar, Jubri when be Buhari when not gree leave Nigerian people alone. He not gree go back to Sudan again. So make una share this video, go give am, and make una just dey subscribe, then they press that bell sign, so that anytime when Funky D upload, all of the thing go dey reach una one after the other. I love you all, everybody. God bless you. God bless Funky D, and one love. Thank you. Funky D.